Hello friends, in this lecture we will know about edge blend. So edge blend is used to create fillet at the edges. So it is basically used to reduce the sharpness of edges. Now to understand this, let's go to Extrude and create some part first. Go to Extrude and select this XY plane. Onto this plane, I draw a center rectangle. So select center rectangle from here. Draw this rectangle of any dimension and click finish. And then give it some height. So let's say I pick this arrow and drag it like this and click OK. After that, I want to create the edge blend into this. To create the edge blend, we need to go to this option of edge blend from this feature tab. Here we can see edge blend. Also we can go to menu, insert, detail feature, and we can find edge blend. Click on this. Now inside this dialog window, first thing it is showing that we need to select an edge. And here we have continuity. So in case when we create any curvature or any curved surface, we have two types of continuity. One is G1 and second is G2. So in case of G1, there is a tangency between the adjacent surfaces. While in case of curvature, the surface is much more curved than the tangency. So let's say I start with this tangent. Click for G1, that is tangent. And then we need to select the edge. So zoom in and let's say I select this edge. And now we can see the preview of an edge blend. I zoom in here. I can pick this arrow and drag it. I can increase the value of this radius. So I can set the value of radius from here. So let's say this value is 10. So this is the radius value from this. I can click OK from here. And now we can see the edge has been replaced by a fillet. And here we can see this fillet has a radius. So once again I go to this edge blend, double click on this, and then we can see the shape option. In this shape we have circular and conic. In case of circular, it is going to take circular shape. It means we can specify this by a radius. In case of conic, we need to define a radius parameter, then we need to specify basically boundary radius and center circle. So generally in industries we use this circular blend because it is easy to manufacture. After that, if you want to create multiple blends, so we can select this option of add new set. Click on this add new set and let's say I want to create the blend onto this edge. Select this edge, specify the radius value, any value. Similarly, we can select this add new set, select this edge. So in this way we can insert the multiple radius values, and let's say this radius value is 15. So like this we can specify the values. So I click OK. Now we can see we have inserted the edge blend at 3 locations. Now to explore some more options, let's go to this edge blend. Once again create one more edge blend. I select this edge for the blend. After this we can see one more option that is called variable radius. So with this option we can specify a variable radius. To understand this, here we need to select the radius point. So we need to select the reference points. So let's say 1 point. So click here. So this end point is the 1 point. And then I specify one more point. So click. So I have these 2 points. Now at these 2 points, I will specify some different radius. So click for the V1, that is radius 1. So let's say this value is 12. Okay, let's increase this value to have a better view. Let's say this is 20. and this is the second point we have created. So here let's say this is 15, and now we can see the radius value is changing, so it means it is a variable radius. So if I select this option of soft radius, it will create a soft radius, so which is easy to manufacture. So in this way we can select the multiple points. I click OK. After that we will go to next option in the edge blend. Go to this edge blend. I select this edge, and then I go to this option of stop short of corner. I select this option. Here let's say I don't want the edge blend on this complete edge. I only want the edge blend up to some length. So in these types of situation we can use this option. So we need to select a reference endpoint. Zoom in here and let's say this is my reference point. Now we need to specify the distance. What I can do is I can pick this, hold down the left click and drag it. Also we can specify the distance here. So let's say this distance is 100 and click OK. So here basically what we see is the edge blend has been created up to a certain length. So after that what I do is I delete all these edge blend, hold down the control key and select all, right click and delete them, and then go to edge blend once again. Let's say I select all these 3 edges one by one. Now here we can see at the corner point at this type of edge blend is created. Now for this we have option that is called corner setback. Select the end point here. We need to select a point here that is intersecting at all these 3 points. So when I click for this option, we can specify a setback. So setback means the distance up to which it will create a edge blend. So I click OK. So in this way we can create the edge blend